Rich Steeves on the floor at Cloud Expo 2012 Santa Clara. I'm at the Rackspace booth. Joining me today is
Paul Croteau, Solutions Evangelist.
So Paul, tell us what Rackspace is exhibiting at the show.
So today we're here to talk about things that are open. The cloud is open. Rackspace is open. We want customers to understand the difference between closed and open technologies, and that's what we're here to do.
Great. So you've got a very exciting looking booth here. Do you want to take us through and tell us a little bit?
Absolutely. So we're going to enjoy the ride. We want to take our customers on a journey of the Rackspace portfolio and the concept of open source and openness in the technology world in general. So come on inside. So you walk inside, what does open mean to us? Open is about choices. Open is about the ability to deploy your technology and your applications wherever you want to, and then move them if you need to. We would love customers to deploy it with us so we can support them and have a long relationship, but if they choose to go anywhere else, the open technology allows them to take that technology, uninstall it, put it somewhere else, bring it back up, and it works. Other vendors don't offer that openness. We're here to show that open makes a big difference. So in this here, we've got a cave art. This is the basis of a 9-minute video that we've edited down to 3 minutes as well, playing on a kiosk over my right shoulder, about the journey to the open cloud, starting with a cave drawing where Caveman shared his picture, but then he couldn't show anybody else the picture because it's on the cave wall, and a bear comes in and kicks him out of the cave, so now no one sees it. So we went to printed books, and then we went to things that are online, but they're still stuck at one store. Well, open means you can take that stuff and share it anywhere. So we talk about that with the video here. It's not running right now. Lots of things, scalability, growth, open technology, innovation. It's all about having choices and flexibility. So let's move into room 2.
Are we moving forward in time here, Paul?
Moving forward in time, yes. So now, what does open mean to you? We've got a chalkboard here that customers can write whatever they want. What does open mean? Because everyone has different opinions of what open is. They want a technology flexibility. They want business relationship flexibility. They want to have fun. So we let customers write their opinions on the board just to kind of get used to it. Behind you here is an infographic that talks about why go open source, reducing costs, eliminating lock-in. We take a nice infographic. Those are really popular these days. So a nice infographic to help customers understand what open is and how we can deploy that.
And we're sort of creating our own infographic here.
Exactly. It's like our own cave wall, per se. So.
I love it. I love it.
So let's go inside to room 3. This is where we meet with our sales acquisition reps. We talk about the entire Rackspace portfolio. Most folks spend most of their time in here because there's a lot of eye candy. So over here, the Rackspace portfolio. This is our product set, business applications on the top. On the bottom, you've got fanatical support. Rackspace is known more than anything about fanatical support. It's not about good, it's about great, it's about fanatical support. People say, oh, that's a funny marketing campaign. When they become customers, they're like, wow, I get it. It's true, it's true. It's all about the customer. That's what the phrase I'm known for. So we got lower level stuff here, monitoring, private networks, backups, DNS control panels, etc. And then on top of that, compute and storage. These are the main components of OpenStack. Compute, that's the processing. Storage, you need data to process and to compute with, and then we can layer applications on top of that. That's the basic product portfolio. Over here, we have different service levels. So start with a basic core account. Not a lot of value. This is like a self-service, go to the portal, do stuff on your own, but then you start adding managed services, you're getting some more value for your dollar. Intensive support is like a white glove service, really, really high dollar. And then if you go to the applications here, we add what's called critical application services. This is a team of ninjas, of just special forces, smart guys with 5-minute SLAs for response time, super uber geek technology skills, amazing tools. We can really monitor deep into the customer's applications. So you can do it yourself, like a Chinese buffet, or you can go to a fine diner where you're really, really taken care of. So
by Geek Ninjas.
Geek Ninjas, exactly. And our engineers have Ninja Geek Racker skills. It's really, really cool. These are some of the products in the OpenStack portfolio. So you've got dedicated hosting, you've got OpenStack. These are cloud services, cloud servers, cloud databases or database as a service, cloud files is a storage solution. Private cloud is the ability to build your own cloud on dedicated gear. Of course, you can't do anything if you can't control it. You got a control panel. Want to know what's going on? We've got cloud monitoring. Cloud networking is brand new. We are able to virtualize the networking concept and give you more flexibility to communicate with devices. And then, of course, block storage is new as well. The ability to give true steady state storage for your customers, so you're not tied to the storage that only comes with a VM. You got a small VM and lots of storage, we can do that for you.
What's our next room, Hill?
Next room is where I've been spending the past few days here. It's room 4. This is what I call the Brainstorming Room. We've got some videos going on right now. We had a a kiosk with it. This is a touchscreen with about half a dozen customer cases. We changed it up for today. This is actually a shot of our corporate headquarters. We are in a 1.2 million square foot mall. It was a dead mall. We turned it into our corporate headquarters, and it's an amazing symbol of our culture, how crazy we are. So people really are being drawn to this and how cool Rackspace is here. This is the end of what we call rookie orientation, a 2-week training session that new hires go to. And actually, a few months ago, a couple of our employees, they got married at Rookie-O, and you see the couple kissing at the end. I don't know if we're gonna make it there or not, but that's them getting married at the end. So over here is really, all my time has been spent diagramming customer configurations. There's not a cookie cutter mentality in hosting. You have to be flexible. Customers have specific needs. They have specific technology needs, they have specific business needs, specific financial needs, disaster recovery needs, so everything is customized. So we go to these magnets here, people love this. I've been asked by about 10 people, can I buy this? I'm like, well no, maybe there's a good product idea. So I'll sit here and let's talk about our managed virtualization, dedicated hypervisors, dedicated virtual machines with your firewalls, at the top, of course, HA, because we don't want any single points of failure. Load balancers. Now you've got a nice private managed virtualized solution. Well, then you want cloud. So let's go talk about your cloud servers. We got a bunch of cloud servers with cloud storage, and your traffic's going to the dedicated here, your traffic's going to your public cloud here. Oh my God, I need this guy to talk to that guy. So let's connect them. We break out a product called Rack Connect. It's a service that we enable on the firewalls and or the load balancers. Boom. Now your traffic, instead of being separate, is going through the entire single configuration and going back and forth as needed. Cloud servers talking to dedicated boxes and being routed to customers as needed. And we can just draw up any scenario you want to, big or small. We support.
We've evolved past the cave wall here.
We are past the cave wall. We now have magnets and colored icons. It's awesome. We've got some sample configurations back here on the wall, showing different workloads, SaaS, e-commerce, test dev. We also offer applications such as SharePoint. We have a professional services team we can talk about, migration services through partners, things of that sort. There's a lot of stuff we can do. So this really is all about educating our customers about the portfolio, the complete portfolio that no one else can touch in the industry. So that's room 4. Now, if we got into a really good discussion, hey, let's talk about doing business further, we'd sneak over to the cave here. Room 5, no one's in there now, but this is where we can have good private discussions. Executives come by, they want to talk about business at a more serious level, contracts, privacy stuff, so we go in here and talk about that. Then room 6, we've got a kiosk, these iPads, we love the iPads, where customers can go in, scroll through a bunch of content, select what they want, boom, bing, bang, and then email it to themselves. Why pass out paper? Because it's going to make it in the trash on the way to the airport. So let's just email you a bunch of stuff, and you got it, read it at your convenience. And then on the way out of here, time to ride or exit, make sure you got your bags, your drinks, etc. We walk out here, and then we've got our photographer who takes a picture and can say, I experienced the cloud. Very popular place. So you walk up, and you take, let me get a little sign here. There's our cloud. So, look at me on the cloud. You walk up here, and that's it. And then the photos go online, business cards on here. And that is, the 4-minute version of the Rackspace experience here at the Open Cloud Summit. So thanks for watching.
Thank you very much, Paul. It was truly a unique experience.
Are you tired like I am?
Indeed I am.
Sold! Take care. Thanks so much.